If your fade looks clean but you still have that dark line, this is exactly how I remove mine without messing up the blend. Step 1. Set your foundation. So first, I already set my bald line, then I go in with my lever open, and because this hair is a bit high, I'm using my one guard to create my first guideline. I also use that same one guard to debug, just to remove that heavy weight and make blending easier. Step 2. Start blending. Now, instead of jumping between too many guards, I go straight in with my clipper, no guard, and this is where technique really matters. I'm using the corner of the blade, a raking motion, and I'm matching the exact area of the line. I'm not just cutting randomly, I'm focusing only where that dark line is sitting. So take note, guys. Step 3. Control the lever. Now, as I'm working with that line, I start to close the lever slowly, not fully close, just a little, because if you close it all the way too fast, you will create a bald spot. So I'm just adjusting gradually and flicking at the same time. Step 4. Be patient. This part is where most people rush. You don't need pressure, you don't need speed, just light flicks and keep checking your work. Let the clipper do the job. Now you can see that the dark line is gone and the blend is still smooth. No patches, no pushing the fade too high. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. See you in the next video. Bye guys.